Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change mouse pointer color in laptop or PC. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, click the right side of your mouse and you will see display setting options. Click on it and you will see search bar options. So click on it and write here mouse. And when you will write mouse and you will see mouse pointer options, so click on it and you can see different color, so you can select any color which is more attractive for you. So guys, in this way you can select any pointer color. So guys, in this way you can change mouse pointer color. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.